Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super helpful feature in WordPress, how to use revision history to undo mistakes with your site's global styles. If you've ever changed your site's colors or fonts and wished you could instantly jump back to how things were before, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to roll back those changes and recover your site's look without any headaches. Let's dive right in. So imagine you're working with one of those newer block themes that supports full site editing. Maybe you were getting creative and tried some new color schemes or updates to your site's fonts, only to realize, oh no, this doesn't quite look how you pictured it. Don't panic, WordPress has a built-in tool for just this situation, and it's called Revision History. First, we need to get into the editor where all the magic happens. On your WordPress dashboard, look for the menu on the left side and click on Appearance. Under there, you'll see Editor, give that a click. This opens up the powerful full site editing interface. Sometimes the page might take a few seconds to load, so just hang tight if it doesn't pop open instantly. Next, we want to zero in on the Styles panel, which controls your site's global design features. In the editor, check out the top right corner. You'll notice a little half-moon icon, which represents styles. Click that, and you'll reveal a panel where you can fine-tune things like colors and typography. This is where a lot of those big, sweeping changes happen, so it's also where we want to go to undo any accidental updates. Now, this is the step that not everyone knows about, but it's a bit of a lifesaver. Right near the top of the Styles panel, you'll see a small clock icon, often called the Revisions or History button. Go ahead and click on that. What you're looking at now is your style history, a timeline of the changes you've made to your site's styles. Each entry is marked with a timestamp, so you can literally scroll back through different moments in your editing journey. Let's say you loved how your site looked yesterday morning, but things got a little wild after that. Simply find that earlier timestamp in the list. Take your time, you can click through and preview how your site looked at any point. WordPress actually lets you see a visual snapshot of your design, so there's no guessing or crossing your fingers. And here's the best part. When you found the point where everything still looked exactly how you liked it, all you need to do is click Apply. With one tap, WordPress will restore all your global style settings, colors, fonts, and all to how they were at that chosen moment. You won't lose any content or posts, just those site-wide design tweaks you want to undo. This process is like having a time machine for your website's design. It saves tons of stress and can really boost your confidence to experiment, knowing you always have a safety net. And remember, if you don't see these options, make sure you're using a block theme that supports full site editing. Classic themes won't have this feature yet. Give this revision history tool a try next time you're working on your site. And if you have any questions or want to share how this worked for you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.